In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to produce crawling text in Capcut PC. If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value. Go under to your text tab or the third option, and then under Add Text, click Add a Default Text by clicking the plus icon. Extend your text to how long the video that you want the scrolling or the crawling text to appear. If you don't know how to get the text that you want to type, let's say we want the text of this video. I'm going to right click and click Transcript Based Editing. And as you can see, we have the text to the video. We can click and highlight, and we can create a text template. Choose one and click Add. But in this case, I'm going to produce text from the video by just copying and pasting this to our current default text that we just created earlier. So click your text, click Ctrl A and Ctrl V to paste, and make sure that the text is like so there's no space or no gaps. And then if you want to update your text, you can add a shadow under the preset style, however you would like. And then if you also want, you can scroll down and create or click background. You can adjust the height accordingly, and then you can click the text and move it down. What you could do as well is you can highlight the text, and you can even make the scale smaller under position and size, so your text becomes smaller. Next step that you want to do while still clicking on text, you want to go to position and size, and then under position, uniform and scale, click this to add a keyframe. Make sure you're at the beginning of the text, and then go to the very end of the text or your video clip. Go one frame to the left, and then click here to add another keyframe. And then now, since your text is still highlighted, click, hold down Shift, and move your mouse to the left, and repeat this until you get to the end of your text. So this looks good. So far, we go to the beginning of the video. Let's see if this plays out.
In the entire United States, and today, I'm going to be going all over Scottsdale to talk to some of the wealthiest people in the entire city and figure out how they created their wealth and how you can start your path to becoming financially free. In 2024, this for you is going to be insane, you guys, so stay tuned for that.
And there you have it.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.